Well, real estate investment is an effective way for normal people like me and you to get wealthy. But in order to be successful, one must have a firm understanding of how to assess offers. For our benefit, the most seasoned real estate investors have created a few straightforward guidelines. A property is worth looking into further if it complies with these criteria. Hence, today we'll look at the 3 golden rules of real estate investing. Number 1. Have a strategy. You must be certain of your investment strategy before making a home purchase. Do you intend to utilize it personally, or are you just using it as an investor? Do you want to purchase, remodel, and then sell it to make a quick profit? Or do you want to keep it for future capital growth? Are you investing to increase your wealth and cash flow, or are you doing it to develop equity for future use? Retirement-related real estate investing is the primary objective for many. Your unique situation and goals will determine whatever investment approach you choose. Successful investors are always aware of their goals. Number 2. Always purchase from sellers who are motivated. The second golden rule of real estate investing is that you should only purchase property from so-called motivated sellers. Someone who has a strong need to sell their property is said to be motivated. They have a problem, thus they're willing to be more flexible with the purchase price and/or the terms. This is due to the fact that these individuals obtaining the quickest and most assured closure of the transaction is more important than receiving the highest possible payment, which is, incidentally, what the majority of sellers desire. Most people initially lack motivation to sell their property. They want to make the most money from the sale of their property as they can. But as time passes, people get motivated. Their goal is to meet deadlines. They can be moving because of a job or because they need to immigrate. Their family may be expanding or shrinking. Perhaps they're experiencing financial issues. Selling this house, in their opinion, will help with that issue. You can receive a far better price or more flexibility on the terms of the transaction if you can identify these motivated sellers and then devise an ethical win-win solution that gives both parties what they desire. It's crucial to realize that our goal is not to exploit anyone in this situation. We're looking for a moral win-win situation that benefits both you and the other party. It's a numerical game. You must discover these motivated sellers, and when you do, your investing will be much more effective. Number 3. Buy and hold trumps buy and sell. Regrettably, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to investing in real estate. Regrettably, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to real estate investing. Time-strapped investors frequently don't take the end result into account before making a purchase, putting them open to financial risk. Whichever approach you go with, it's critical to be aware of the hazards. You must first comprehend the charges connected with a buy and sell technique. Property acquisition involves a number of costs that easily reach 7 to 8% of the purchase price. It's crucial to get this right. The most knowledgeable and wealthy investors frequently keep their investment property for a very long time. As a result, the property's value can increase while the tenant contributes to the mortgage repayment. The prudent investor only sells when exceptional circumstances arise, such as when they receive an offer that is too good to pass up or when they need to fund their retirement. This is a tried and true investing approach where wealth building is very simple, providing, of course, that you're buying the right kind of property in the right areas at the appropriate price. With that, we wrap up the 3 golden rules of real estate investing in 2023. Let us know what you think about these rules in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, press the like button and do subscribe to our channel to find more interesting videos like this in the future. Goodbye.